Account for. Explain. Can you account for this mistake? Make out. Understand. I couldn't make out what he was saying. Make up. Invent. He made up a story. Move on. Continue. It's time to move on. Pass away. Die. His grandfather passed away last year. Act up. Misbehave. The children were acting up in class. Add up. Make sense. His story doesn't add up. Back down. Retreat. He refused to back down. Back up. Support. I'll back you up if anyone asks. Pass out. Faint. She passed out from the heat. Blow up. Explode. The car blew up suddenly. Breakdown. Stop working. My car broke down on the way home. Break into. Enter by force. Someone broke into our house. Bring up. Mention. She brought up an interesting topic. Call off. Cancel. They called off the meeting. Carry on. Continue. Please carry on with your work. Come across. Find unexpectedly. I came across an old photo. Cut down on. Reduce. I'm trying to cut down on sugar. Deal with. Handle. I can deal with this problem. Figure out. Understand. I finally figured out the answer. Find out. Discover. I need to find out the truth. Give up. Quit. Don't give up on your dreams. Go through. Experience. She's going through a difficult time. Hold on. Wait. Hold on for a minute. Look after, take care of. She looks after her younger brother. Look into, investigate. The police are looking into the case. Put off, postpone. We had to put off the meeting. Run out of. Have no more left. We've run out of milk. Set up, arrange. They set up a new business.
Turn down, reject. He turned down the job offer.